All right, so I'm back. Gonna try and do at least one more episode today. So they just went over the hill over there. Yeah, they got from here all the way down there, and then they're done. Beanhead carts over there, 8400s over there, and yeah, you can just barely, no, you really can't make it out. No, you can't. So, yeah. Yeah, hopefully they'll finish up today, and then I don't know where they'll head tomorrow, so yeah. So yeah, you can see a lot of the tracks where they've been. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Grandpa's just coming back over here now. We filled one bin up already, so the one bean bin of my grandpa and grandma's is full. So yeah, again took the four-wheeler down here. So yeah, he's got a full load on him, so he'll be heading back to his brother's place to unload. Alright, so I gotta head back. Yeah, so I gotta take off. So, whoop. Anyway, yeah, I gotta follow him. So, yeah, so I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I gotta put this away. So, see you guys later.